Professor Suburno Bari, please.
Thank you so much. Please be seated. Thank you so much. Reed, student and CMT scholar at New York, 2019, and Manitz, 2023. He has delivered physics lectures at many universities. He has also given book talks at various institutions, including the University of
Ladies and gentlemen.
So I try to see it more creatively. I carry a reference table with me at all times because sometimes I just can't remember what equation I'm supposed to use. I think when you're solving a problem, you have to think of it. As, I guess, a more creative process than just calculation or computation. Because those are the problems that will really face you if you decide to go into math or any other subject relating to math. So that's mostly how I try to view math, more abstractly instead of computationally. Even though doing the computations is sometimes fun, I like thinking creatively more than just repeating equations over and over.
Sir, then is there any general or are there any general rules that we should follow before sitting for physics and mathematics?
Sitting for physics and math?
Yeah, before solving questions, are there any general rules?
Are there any general rules? I think that just the biggest rule is don't overstress. Don't stress yourself out on one question and think about it. I guess try approaching it in as many different ways as you can. Don't just try the same method over and over because it's what was taught to you. Try because there are some very obscure connections between different subjects in mathematics. So try everything you can think of instead of just limiting yourself to one area of math.
Okay, thank you so much, sir. I will definitely follow it from today onwards. Thank you, sir.
Thank you for the
Today's interaction session held in Kokrajhar. One is Bodoland University, one is in Kokrajhar. How is your experience?
It was a great experience. All the students are very knowledgeable, very amiable, and I hope to come back here again.
Then this program was organized for the development of physics and mathematics. How do you express about that?
It's wonderful that the BTC is focusing on something so important.
Any advice for this region students, youths, how to learn in mathematics and physics?
I think that has been mostly provided in my lecture, but I think we should not strive to memorize everything, but think of it from a more creative perspective.
So today you have interacted with many school students like you. How do you feel?
It was a great experience, and I hope to interact with them again.
What is your advice to new generation?
My advice is to learn math and science as much as you can, and have fun with learning as much as possible instead of memorizing it.
Have you ever enjoyed your childhood
Yes. Okay.
like other childs?
Yeah. I enjoy childhood in my own way. Okay, I have a flight very soon.
Yes.